This right here is a non-sponsored video. बेफिक्र रहो, I have gotten everything with my own money. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. You guys love my Savannah का haul and मैं आज आ चुकी हूँ दोबारा with a very beautiful Savannah का haul. This time it's going to be like the miniest, Savannah का haul because I have ordered all of this stuff for my trip. मैं vacation पे जा रही हूँ and that's why urgent basis पे मुझे कुछ सामान चाहिए थे and that's when I ordered this from Savannah. 4 से 5 चीजें हैं. So yeah, without much blabbering, चलो शुरू करते इस वीडियो को. So let's start with today's haul. मैंने 3 jewelry items मंगवाया है and 2 clothing items मंगवाया है. So let's start with all the jewelry that I have. I ordered 2 beautiful earrings and 1 beautiful pendant वाली necklace. So let's start with that. So the very first item that I have is right here in this box. So आप जब कोई भी jewelry या फिर accessories मंगवाते हो सवाना से, तो इस तरीके का पैकेजिंग में आता है. Oh my god, it looks so cute. It has the jewelry as well as they have sent me beautiful stickers right here. So आपको इस तरीके का stickers भी मिल जाता है when you go ahead and order something, some accessories from Savannah. So Urbanic का ही एक part है. So whenever I ordered something from Urbanic, they used to send a lot of stickers and all. So इस तरीके का आपको stickers मिल जाएंगे when you order accessories from Savannah. So I have ordered this very beautiful zodiac sign wale necklace right here and I just love it. Okay? Like I said, I am into necklaces, but it should be very dainty and minimal. So that's when I saw this and I was like, chalo, let's order and let's see how the quality is and if it's actually good or not. So it comes in a packaging like this. आप देख पा रहे हो. Oh my god. So this is what the beautiful necklace looks like. छोटा सा detailing है and it was around like 19 and 100 rupees, something like that. 100 rupees के आसपास ये मुझे पड़ा था and this is how the beautiful necklace looks like. I have the zodiac sign of Capricorn and since I'm a Capricorn, I ordered this and the material is also very nice. It's not like flimsy and just because it's like 100 or 150 rupees आपको ऐसे गंदे वाले क्वालिटी के कोई भी चीज आपको दे देगा. It's absolutely not like that. The quality, I was actually shocked. I think it was like 100 or something, 120 something like that, and I was actually shocked कि इतने कम प्राइस में भी मुझे इतनी अच्छी क्वालिटी का आइटम्स मिल रहा है. अगर आप पानी लगाते हो तो शायद ये टार्निश हो जाएगा, बट इफ यू लिटिल केयरफुल एंड पानी अगर आप नहीं लगाओगे तो ये आराम से टिक जाएगा. For just 100 rupees, you're getting such good quality, accessories or jewelry, and I'm pretty impressed. Okay, let's start with my second box of jewelry. I have 2 beautiful earrings right here. I have ordered some beautiful flowerish earring and I just love them so very much. So the very first thing that I have ordered is this very beautiful gold flower pearl detailing wala earring, and this is what I have received. So I have seen this picture right here and जब से मैंने ये Pinterest में देखा ना this flower sort of earring, I just had to get it. मैं ढूंढती गई and I spotted this earring on Savannah and I immediately had to get it. So this is what I have received and you get all this jewelry in this small beautiful packaging right here. तो आपको ऐसे छोटे छोटे पैकेजिंग में सारे चीजें आपको मिल जाएंगे. And when I go ahead and open this up, oh my goodness, this is what I have received and it looks so good, you guys. Again, ये 199 के आसपास था. I am actually pretty much shocked looking at the quality. It's quite heavy for just like 150 rupees or 199 rupees. It's actually quite nice. So this is what I have ordered and आप देख पा रहे हो काफी beautiful सा flower detailing वाले earring है and बीच में आपको इस तरीके का pearl detailing भी मिल जाता है like this. Normal hoop वाले earrings तो मैं हमेशा पहनती हूँ, so I just wanted something little extra, so that's when I ordered this for 199 rupees. This right here is a steal. So get your hands on this because this is actually a very good quality. This right here is a non-sponsored video. बेफिक्र रहो, I have gotten everything with my own money. Now let's check out the last item that I have and the last jewelry item that I've got, and it's a very beautiful pink flower earring. I wanted something little colorful, so that's when I ordered this. ठीक है, बहुत ही beautiful सा छोटू सा एक flower earring है fabric का material वाला. And when I go ahead and open this up, oh my god, let me share with you guys the picture right here. So this is what I've ordered and this is what I have got. It looks so cute. I was not expecting the size to be this small, but it actually looks so very nice. So this is what I have received. आप देख पा रहे हो काफी क्यूट सा फ्लावर डिटेलिंग वाला इयरिंग है. आप देख पा रहे हो फैब्रिक का बना हुआ है and that's why it looks so nice. So this is what the beautiful pair of earring looks like, pink in color. So आप देख पा रहे हो काफी cute लगेगा when I go ahead and wear it. All of the jewelry, 2 pair of earring and 1 pendant necklace जो मैंने ऑर्डर किया 500 में ये सारा निपट गया. I mean only for 500 rupees. आजकल इतने सस्ते चीजें कहाँ मिलते हैं. But Savannah से I've ordered 3 of the jewelry items for just 500 rupees. So yeah, that is absolutely a steal. Now let's go ahead and move on to the 2 beautiful clothing items that I've gotten from Savannah. This is the package that I have. I have 2 beautiful items here inside. So let's check it out. The very first thing that I've ordered is this very beautiful one shoulder cut wale black simple top, and this is how it looks like. I really wanted something that's classic, looks good with anything I pair this up with, and that's when I ordered this. ठीक है, कोई भी बॉटम वेयर के साथ आप ये वाले टॉप या फिर आइटम्स को पहन सकते हो without any worries, and you're gonna look absolutely gorgeous. So this is what I have ordered. Such a beautiful piece right here. आप देख पा रहे हो, it's a very beautiful one shoulder draped black top and it just looks so nice. So this is how it looks. So absolutely stunning. Such a beautiful piece right here. भले ये देखने में बहुत ज़्यादा basic लग रहा है, but the moment you go ahead and wear it, it looks so nice and so very beautiful. You can pair this with beautiful earring, minimal makeup, and you're gonna look absolutely classic and so very gorgeous. So I have gotten it in the size small, I believe. Yes, I've gotten this in the size small, and मैं सारे प्रोडक्ट के डिटेल्स सारे कुछ मैं डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में डाल दूंगी एंड स्क्रीन के ऊपर दे दूंगी. आप लोग जरूर चेक कर लेना फ्रॉम द साइजेस टू द प्राइजेस कितने में मुझे मिला. आई विल से इट इज वर्थ एवरी पेनी. इट लुक्स absolutely gorgeous. So this is what the first item looks like and I absolutely love it. And the last item that I have ordered is this very beautiful long maxi contrast shoulder wale dress. I've seen this in a lot of celebrities and I really wanted to try it for myself, and that's when I ordered this very beautiful dress from Savannah. ये रहा picture आप देख पा रहे हो. So this is the exact dress that I've ordered and I am in love with it. ठीक है, I have tried this on and oh my god, it looks so good on me. So this is what I've ordered. It's a very beautiful contrasty off-shoulder dress. The whole detailing is right here on the shoulder right here. It's a very beautiful classic piece, nothing so fancy, but the whole detailing is right here. The shoulder just speaks for itself. It's a very beautiful, simple maxi dress, but then the moment you go ahead and wear it, it looks so nice. You guys, I've already tried this on. I was actually shocked as to how good the fitting is, and I'm so happy with the quality, with the fitting. Look at that fit right here. It hugs your body and makes you look so nice and so very gorgeous. So if you see this in stock, just grab this. Do not waste your time. Just go ahead and add this to your cart. So this is the last item that I got and I completely fell in love with it. So yeah, that is it for today's video and I hope you guys like it. If I have to go ahead and recommend any product from today's video, I will recommend the dress absolutely and all the jewelry, क्योंकि बहुत ही कम प्राइस में इतनी अच्छी क्वालिटी के आपको सामान मिल रहे हैं. सो इट्स एक्चुअली अ वेरी गुड डील. या डोंट फॉरगेट टू गो अहेड एंड चेक आउट माय डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स इन ऑर्डर टू गेट द प्रोडक्ट लिंक्स एंड आई विल सी यू गाइस वेरी वेरी सून. तब तक के लिए टेक केयर एंड बाय बाय.